Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Footwear Fashion Palace, and I am here with my another video. And my this video is about some different length of pencil heel in really beautiful design and different color combination that looks really amazing and really beautiful with your every kind of outfit, like it's eastern or it's western. It look really beautiful with both and enhance your personality, make your outfit more amazing and more pretty. And high heel are the ultimate symbol of glamour and sophistication. With their sleek design and towering height, they add a touch of elegance to any outfit. Whether you're heading to a formal event or just want to elevate your everyday look, high heels are the perfect choice. They have the power to transform an outfit from simple to stunning, and their clicking sound on the floor is music to the ears for many fashionistas. With the ability to elongate the legs and accentuate the feet, high heels are the must-have for anyone looking for make a statement. So slip on a pair and feel like a queen. You deserve it. And as you see, this color looks really nice, like a very beautiful shade of blue. That looks really pretty. And as you see, this one is also a very nice pink color heel, and this one is also a very beautiful combination that looks really nice and amazing. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video till the end.